Are you tired of sluggish performance and limited storage space holding you back? Say hello to the ApoloSign 15.6-inch laptop, your ticket to unparalleled productivity and performance. In today's fast-paced world, you need a laptop that can keep up with your busy lifestyle. That's where the ApoloSign laptop steps in. Let's dive deeper into what makes this device a game-changer. At the heart of the ApoloSign laptop lies the powerful Intel N5095 processor, delivering lightning-fast performance that's perfect for multitasking, streaming, and more. Say goodbye to lagging and hello to seamless computing. Running out of storage space is a thing of the past with the ApoloSign laptop. With its expandable 1 TB storage, you'll have ample room for all your files, photos, videos, and applications. Never compromise on storage again. Immerse yourself in stunning visuals with the ApoloSign laptop's full HD display. Whether you're watching movies, editing photos, or browsing the web, every detail comes to life with clarity and precision. Stay connected wherever you go with dual-band Wi-Fi technology. Enjoy faster and more reliable internet connections for smooth browsing, streaming, and video calls. Say goodbye to buffering and hello to uninterrupted connectivity. Experience immersive audio like never before with the ApoloSign laptop's dual speakers. Whether you're listening to music, watching videos, or participating in virtual meetings, crystal clear sound will elevate your multimedia experience. Ready to take your productivity to the next level? Don't miss out on the ApoloSign 15.6-inch laptop, the ultimate blend of performance, reliability, and style. Upgrade today and unlock endless possibilities. Subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews, tutorials, and exclusive offers. Thank you for watching.